Okay. Do this thing at the end, maybe.
What?
Have it do some really cool stuff, and then do the stairs at the end. Have it do that flipping over thing.
What?
Have it flip over and like that. Yeah, that's cool. Wow. Amazing. Incredible. Oh, no, dog. Oh. It's afraid of dogs. It passes out whenever dogs walk by.
Are you gonna stay? Nope.
And here comes Ryland. Cool. How to do that for a while. It's doing its thing. It's off the moon. It came straight from the moon to Earth. Here it comes. Help me! Help me! I will go back. I will go backwards and down the stairs. It's about to go down the stairs. It's too close. I can't get it in the picture. Going downstairs. No one can believe it until they see it. Can you believe it? It not only goes downstairs, it comes upstairs. It's coming back up the stairs. Incredibly enough, it goes down and comes back. The crowd's in awe. They should come over here and see it. This takes precise technical maneuvering. Skilled operator. Shock and awe. Shock and awe. And Hannah Montana are on their way. Oh, incredible. It's going back down. That thing scared it. Yeah. Man's best friend. Come back up. Got its second wind. Go get it, Timber. Save humanity. And the dog's all over it. He's saving our lives. I'm thinking about it. Well, at least you thought about it. Ah, help me. The dog just ran in the house. We're on our own. And here's the operator. What's a focused look on his face? Focus. He's totally focused on saving the world from that. It's running away. Kind of like the dog just did. It's incredibly going under the chair and pulling the chair with it for a while. Yeah, that was a new trick. We'll have to work on that one. The dog comes out to, he's been planning his battle plan. Okay, I think the first part of the plan is going to the bathroom. But then he's going to come over and save us. And you can't do that on a full bladder. Bring her back on through. The dog wants to attack. He's in attack mode right now. Oh, I get it. You lift it up and it lifts the chair up. Okay, Timber, attack. He's in attack mode. It's over this way. No, it's over here. You can't find it. We're on our own again. So most people would think it can't get up from this. Watch. Most people don't know much. Incredible. Timber, help me, help me, help me. Help me, Timber. Help me, Rhonda. The dog is actually smelling the flowers while we're being attacked. Incredible. We need a new attack dog. He's down, he's down, he's up. We're being attacked and Timber's smelling the flowers. Good dog. Don't worry about us. We'll be fine. Oh, he is in attack mode. Attack mode. He's in between us and giving up his... Wait a minute. Ah, my foot, help! Ah! Luckily I have my trusty dog with me. Right there. He's thinking about stuff. How do trees grow anyway? I give up. Okay. I think I'll scout out, do a little recon here. I'm gonna recon the area. Don't see any problems. Except, you missed the net. Oh, that's okay. There's two of you. You can probably kill it. There's only one of me. We should put this on YouTube, man. We could. You know that? Mister? Wow. If I took a little better camera.